Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel. In this episode, we're making a fresh and crisp salad with a special vegetable, stem lettuce. If you're new to my channel, this is where every week I share homemade recipes. My goal is to recreate the authentic tastes using natural and organic ingredients in the United States. I'm not a chef, but enjoy eating and cooking, so all my recipes require no professional training. If I can do it, you can. Stem lettuce has several names: celery lettuce, asparagus lettuce, lettuce, or simply just Chinese lettuce. It is a type of lettuce grown primarily for the thick stem. The leaves are consumable too. The stem is known for its crisp texture and its super green color, perfect for pickles or salad. Let's get started. The main ingredients are stem lettuce, cucumber, and red chili pepper. First, let's peel the stem lettuce. The skin is quite hard, so be careful not to peel your own fingers. You may need to peel a few times before you can get to the translucent green part. Be patient. Then I'm going to peel the cucumber. Depending on the type of cucumber used, if the skin is thin and crisp, no need to peel. Then we're going to remove the top and bottom of the stem lettuce, as they turn yellow and are dirty. Next, cut the stem lettuce into 1-inch long thin blocks. Set aside. Next, cut the cucumber the same way. Add sugar, brown or white. Either way is fine. Salt. Mix well. And season for 20 minutes. Minutes later, squeeze out the liquid. Chop the red chili pepper into little rings and slice the garlics. Add the red chili pepper and the garlic to to the cucumber and stem lettuce. Apple cider vinegar. White rice vinegar is fine too. Oyster sauce. Garlic powder. Mix well. Add a little bit more sugar as needed to balance the vinegar. Cooking wine. If you have white wine, it is even better. Mix again. Store in a jar or container. Put it into the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight. It is ready to serve. The stem lettuce is crisp, fresh, sweet, sour, with a bit hot sensation. With the jade-like color, it is a delightful side dish which I like to pair with a cup of white rice porridge. I'm glad you stayed through the video and hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel, comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks, and see you next time.